Gummy bears in the backseat heat, fast food bags and no room for your feet. You were steady when I burned too fast. You laughed and said you're gonna learn at last. I'm not that kid you almost left, but I still steal kisses like petty theft. You said get your life straight, I did, and it's better, cause you believe that kid. Again, I don't want to forgive where we've been. We'll laugh too loud, drop nowhere fast, pretend to tank. We'll run out of gas, you were the calm, I was the spin, but we still make the chaos grin. That summer I was running on fumes, two jumps, bad choices, late night tunes. You could've left when I crossed that line, but you stayed, said grow up, you'll be fine. Yeah, yeah. Where we've been, we'll laugh too loud, drive nowhere fast, pretend to tank, we'll run out of gas. You were the core, I was the spin, but we still make the chaos grin. Whoa, 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 whoa. We traded late nights for porch light talks, fast lanes for slower walks. But when you smile that same old way, I'm 19 again today. Whoa, whoa. Leftovers in the sink again. Laundry mountain, paper thins in. Three tiny rebels storm the hall. I swear I used to have control, then y'all. Static builds behind my eyes. I count to 10, stealing fries. Little revolutions in my living room. Fist of crayons, tempers bloom. Yeah, I lose my cool, then they lose theirs too. But we burn bright and come back true. Revolutions every afternoon, and that's everyone with you. Homework half done, shoes on the roof, dog hair, gear, fetty, bulletproof truth. Mom's got grace, I got the yell, so now it all turns out well. One deep breath, a storm subsides. Rose survives where pride collides. Little revolutions in my living room. Fists of crayons, tempers bloom. Yeah, I lose my cool, then they lose theirs too. But we burn bright and come back true. Revolutions every afternoon, and I start everyone with you. Turn it out, spin it out. We're the circus in this house. Kid they doubt, laughing loud. Families a riot, we're the crowd. Little revolutions in my living room. Fists of crayons, tempers bloom. Yeah, I lose my cool, then they lose theirs too. But we burn bright and come back true. Little revolutions. Maroon paint, maybe who can tell? Colorblind faith in a four-door shell. Jenny's got E3 in a backseat choir, singing hallelujahs through morning fire. Coffee, steam, and school zone signs. Life 965 through static lines. Every note off key, every word divine. That van hums in 4/4 time. This is their minivan anthem, rolling on faith and fumes. Three little voices waking up the room. Jenny drives steady, halo on her hand. God rides shotgun through suburban land. The calm before the chaos starts to spin. That's my family, that's my win. While I'm still home chasing the grind, just gear peace through morning's mine. They're at their shine before the day begins, racing across the holy noise within. This is their minivan Anthem, rolling on faith and fumes. Three little voices waking up the room. Jenny drives steady, halo on her hand. God rides shotgun through suburban land. It's not rebellion, it's retention loud. A Sunday quiet commuter crowds. Love doesn't need distortion or fake, just a van, some kids and his name. The calm before the chaos starts to spin. That's my family, that's my win. Bags by the door, kicks bouncing in line. Two dogs barking like it's go time. Four bunks, one room, a heater hums slow. The laughter fits where space won't go. Steam on the windows, sky turning chrome. Every mile north still feels like home. We're north of home, under borrowed skies, trading city noise for lullabies. Horns blow wild and guitars moan. Every road we take rewrites home. Lazy river looping like a saxophone. Slides crash down in major key foam. Pizza boxes, sunscreen stains. We toast cheap cups to the life we've gained. Night air hums and the campfire drones. Still north of home but never alone. We're north of home, under borrowed skies, trading city noise for lullabies. Let the snare swing, let the trumpets moan. Every road we take rewrites home. Cabin lights fade, the kids are asleep. The dogs chase dreams they'll never keep. You pour one more, I hum low chrome. Drums brush time, our metronome. We're north of home, wherever we roam. Found forever in a rented dome. When morning breaks and we're south again, we'll still hum that tune from way back when.
The house looks lit and that's polite. Crumbs from dinner, socks in sight. Coffee's gone, the counter's grimy. Says it's fine, we'll clean next time. He said on 62 it's cruel, but Cole's his thing, I break that rule. You roll your eyes, I call it charm. We make disaster look disarmed. We don't clean up, we turn it loud. Our mess, our rules are kinda proud. It's chaos gold, it's us, it's true. A little too cold, but built for two. Yeah, life's a fight that somehow rules. Our mess, our rules. Wrapped in blankets, rolling eyes. 63, you trying to die. I tease, I got one plan to heat this room. He smirks, of course, that kills the mood. Still somehow we find a tune. Tag team, hearts by afternoon. You fix the mess, I break the rule. Somehow that's still our golden rule. When one of us breaks, the other one builds. Tag team hearts in a house of spills. We keep the beat, ignore the news, dream in dust and pay our dues. If the plan, we missed the bus, but I'll take this wreck if it's us. He says turn up the heat, I smile, refuse our mess. Our rules.
Stayed up late, book in hand, boxcar dreams in Storyland. Sunlight creeps, the chapter's done. I make the toast before the run. Mom's still snoozing, dad's MIA. Guess I'm in charge of Saturday. Wheels are charged, the yard's a track. Dogs are chasing, I don't look back. Sisters yelling, swing set band. Grass in my hair, dirt in my hands. Every laugh feels like a win. The weekend's wild, so let's dive in. Shirt on my head, belly beats on. Don't need music to sing along. I'm the storm they can't outrun. Last in line, but first for fun. We're out, we're fine, we're yours all three. Breakfast crumbs in victory. The house is loud, the world feels right. We own this messy Saturday life. Love's the plan, chaos the mission. This is RD3 transmission. Mom, you can sign up for this edition. Dad, too late, renewed the subscription. Clock can't spin, I lose my aim. Same four walls, another day the same. You're right there, but I forget to see the grace you keep pouring over me. I chase the noise, I miss your light, but love still pulls me through the night. Gravity don't lie, it keeps me near. When my orbit slips, you draw me clear. Faith is a force I can't defy. Love's a force that lifts me high. Dishes stack, small hearts asleep. I count my failures, they cut deep. You breathe in prayer, I breathe out pride. Somehow the center realigns. You hold the calm, I hold the fight, but grace still finds its way each night. Gravity don't lie, it keeps me near. When my orbit slips, you draw me clear. Faith is the force I can't deny. Love's the force that lifts me high. Every trip's another call to stay. Every fall's a humbling way to find the hand that lifts me high. 'Cause gravity don't lie, gravity don't lie. Keeps me near when I lose my way. You're always here, faithful side. The noise runs dry, and I come home when I close my eyes.
You were my steady when the world still spun, my calm in the storm, my setting sun.
You saw the man beneath the noise, taught me that grace can sound like choice. The years have lines, the love still glows. You're Jenny, you're the peace my restless heart chose. You're my anchor in the air, the weight that holds the breath that cares. Every laugh and every prayer pulls me closer, keeps me there. If love's a road that never ends, then faith and family are the bends. I lose my way, but you're all there, my anchor in the air. Tiny hands, big dreams, wild hearts collide. E3 makes me younger from the inside. Your laughter rewrites what I knew. Every tomorrow begins with you. When you fight or fall or cry, I still see stars in your eyes. You're my anchor in the air, the weight that holds the breath that cares. Every laugh and every prayer pulls me closer, keeps me there. If love's a road that never ends, then faith and family are the bends. I lose my way, but you're all there, my anchor in the air. When my grip slips from the road, you catch my doubt and hand me hold. You built the tide that brought me home. You taught my heart to not be stone. Every pace that fills this room started, Lord, and ends in you. My anchor in the air, my reason here, my answered prayer. Every breath, each burden shared. I'm home in love, I'm home in care. If heaven's built on love that mends, then this is where forever begins. I lose my way, but you're all there, my anchor in the air.